Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. I'm professional software developer as well as technical translator. I have been programming longer than 30 years and have been translating into Korean lots of Microsoft products into Korean language longer than 20 years. And I also have been working in IBM before as documentation engineer. And I'm going to demonstrate how to use multiple document interface properly. So at the end of this session, we will have software like this. This is RTF text editor, RTF document editor. This is web browser feature like this. And we can create many more documents, more RTF documents, or we can also create more web browsing documents, or in single application we can open like this. So at the end of this session, we will learn develop software application like this. Okay, let's begin. To develop this software, we need to have some tools. Okay, so for example, we need to have registry editor. It is usually in Windows. We are going to use this tool, so I will have like this. I will make a shortcut at the desktop, and we will also need tools to icon editors. We will use Icon Workshop from this company, and I hope you purchase a licensed copy of this software if you are going to develop lots of software applications. So I will drag and drop the desktop icon of this software here. I will use it. So let's go. We will create new applications, new solution, new MFC solution. Here I will have MDI, multiple document interface, MDI, APP solution. I will name it, and then I will use it RTF APP. I will name it RTF APP. I will choose MFC application. It is from installed template Visual C++ MFC, then MFC applications. Click OK. Then next, I will not use this one, and I will disable it. I will choose template like this. These are not actually important. And next, and RTF, and next, and I will use ribbon interface, next, and I will use automation. Actually, this is not important, but I will unselect it, and I am not going to use it in this session. Okay, next, here the view, select the view, and it should be RTF reach edit view. Then select this one, child frame. This is important. I will change it into like this, RTF APP FRM, and I will change the file name like this. Then okay, it's done. I will finish. I click finish. Okay, I will press F5 function key to compile and run it. Okay, it's compiled and running properly. It looks like this. Okay, it has a single document interface right now, or RTF Now we will close it, and in the solution view window, I will add another project. This time we'll use web browsing. This time we will use like web app and select the same thing, MFC application as before. Then next, I will remove it. Actually, these are not important. And next, web. Next, and next, and I will ribbon bar as well. Next, I will disable it. Next, then here in the view, I will use HTML view as base. You have to select this. Then I will change it to web app FRM. Okay, then I click finish. Now I will right click it, set as startup project, then F5 to compile and run. Okay, this is web browser application now. It looks the same, but it's actually different. Okay, like this. We can move around. This is web browser application. I can open another web browsing page document like this. Okay, in this solution we have MDI app solution, we have two applications. One is RTF app application. It is RTF app project. This is a web app project. We are going to merge these two separate projects into a single one, into one application. So to do this, we need to understand about multiple document interface. Some MDI documents are created by CDoc Manager. This is the cornerstone, the essence of multiple document interface. And C Document Manager actually uses doc template or multiple doc template in case of MDI application. MDI means multiple document interface. So, and we also need a set of three classes like MDI child, WinEx, and C document and C view. We need three set of classes. Actually, these are inherited. These becomes base class. So let's see what I mean. These class, we have to remember MDI child WinEx. These are frame window usually, and this is document and C document view. Let's see here, class view. We see document and frame and view. So document is base class is, let's start with the frame window. Frame window is based on MDI child WinEx, and document file is based on C document, and view class is based on view. This is actually based on view, HTML view. We will copy these files into this project. To do that, we will open the prod solution folder. This is MDI app solution. Here we have to copy 3 set of files. We will copy these document, total 6 files. Before we edit, we will copy them to RTF APP project folder. RTF project folder, we will copy it here, paste it here. Then I paste it. Before we import into RTF APP, I will edit them. I will change them using edit with Notepad. I open the 6 files like this, all total 6 files. This is the one I copied, and I will change this. It should be changed into like this, rtf app.h. Replace all opened documents. I replaced it. Okay, then I save and close. Then I close it. So then this is an RTF APP project folder we copied and changed, and now we are going to import it here. Right click and add existing items. We will insert header files, web app view, web app frame, web app doc. So we import 3 header files. Now edit, and we also have to copy, insert 3 existing item source files, CPP files like this. Okay, then we make it as a startup project again, and we will run it. Control F5. No, we will rebuild it. We will rebuild. Then we will, let's see if compilation is okay. Okay, everything seems to be compiled. Let's see. Sorry, these are not imported. Right click, existing. Sorry, here. P RTF, okay. Then source files, okay. Then I will build it again. We failed because CHTML view, this class is not defined. This class comes from somewhere else. Let's see where this file is defined. If we open here and code view, scroll down here. Let's scroll down. We have to copy and paste this file. Copy. Then in RTF app, open it and paste it like this. Okay. Save it. Then build it again. Okay. It works, but these are not yet web browsing documents are not yet available. We have to implement it. I will close all. Here on class view, here select app, then init instance here, and let's scroll down. Here we have to disable it. This is the first document template, and here I will add one more like this. and copy it. And let's see. It should be, we haven't yet defined it, but we will define it very soon. Web app, I've changed one. Then I have to change it to web. Then we don't need it. Okay, save it. Then at the head of this file, we will include. It should be web. We also need a resource file. Okay. Now compile it. Control F7 is to compile. We have error message. This file is not defined yet. We will define it like this. Close it. We close all document. Then in the solution view again, here RTF resource. We will open it and scroll down. Here, this file. We will copy it and change it like this, and we will make it web, and this should be something like 1, and I will change it like 40. I make room here. After you change it, you have to see, you have to change it. Okay, then save it, and we have to make more changes. Close it, and now open RC file here, view code. Here we have to change it. We have to add one more. Web app, it should be web. We do not have this file yet, and we will copy it. We will copy it here, web res. We should copy this file. Copy. Then RTF res will paste it here. This one. So it can be like this. Then the next thing we have to do, we will find it once again. Here, this is the frame menu, but I can copy it. I can also copy it as well to the end here. Copy, paste. Then I change it to something like this. Well, actually this step is not necessary, but it can be useful sometimes. And we find it once again. We don't need it. Here we don't need it. And we have to copy it once again. Like this. And we change it to web, and all RTF should be web, like this, like this. It should be web. It should be web. You can change it to anything you want, you like. For example, Okay, let's move next. We did. No, 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 no. Okay, everything is ready. Now save it. Save it and close it. Let's build. Okay, it now works like this. I tap. If I click new, then web. Then web browsing feature is working now. Like this. If I open new file again, we have something like this. So this is very annoying. Very annoying. We will fix this problem in the next session. So next session will be the final one, but it will be a bit challenging. Thank you. Please watch next video. That's very important.